Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G23 and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply iOS Launcher on this Motorola. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in iOS Launcher. Now you need to get this free app from this developer, and when it's ready, open it. Now select while using the app and allow in the pop-ups. Then swipe up from the bottom of your screen and tap on Home button. Finally, go into Devices Settings, scroll down and access Apps. Now click on Default Apps, select Home app and tap on iOS Launcher. Then click on Got It in this pop-up, and as you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my Motorola. If you wish to, you can always switch between your layouts by going into Settings and tapping on Moto App Launcher or iOS one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!